Hi there, I'm Annie. Are you looking to get your personal or business LinkedIn account connected to your platform so that you can begin posting? If so, follow these next steps. To start, go ahead and confirm you're in the correct workspace. Then you'll want to navigate to the drop-down in the upper right-hand corner and select Brand Settings. Make sure you're on the Linked Accounts tab and then click Add New and select the LinkedIn tile. You'll sign into your LinkedIn account, and then you'll be able to select the account that you'd like to connect to your platform. After you selected the accounts you'd like to link, go ahead and click Link Account. And voila! Your LinkedIn page is already connected and you're ready to begin posting. If you need any other social media accounts connected, please refer to our other videos for help getting those set up.